Welcome to my cloud engineers. Are you ready to take your cloud game to the next level? AI can advance your cloud engineering skills and make your life a whole lot easier. If you're wondering what makes AI a helpful tool for cloud computing, well, let's get into it. First off, let's talk automation. AI can be a game changer when it comes to automating routine tasks. Imagine this. AI tools can handle scaling your cloud resources up or down automatically based on your usage patterns. No more manual adjustments, AI's got you covered. Here's a simple step to help you get started. Explore AI-based cloud management platforms. They offer features like auto-scaling, which can save you time and reduce costs by optimizing your resource allocation. Number 2, predictive analytics. Next, let's talk about predictive analytics. AI doesn't just react to problems, it predicts them. AI tools can analyze your cloud data to foresee potential issues before they even occur. This means that you can address problems before they impact your systems. Not sure where to start? Implement AI-powered monitoring tools. Tools like Datadog or New Relic offer advanced analytics and can alert you about anomalies and performance issues. This proactive approach helps you maintain smooth operations and avoid unexpected downtimes. 3. Cost optimization. This is a real bonus. AI tools can analyze your spending patterns and recommend ways to cut costs. They can identify underutilized resources and suggest adjustments to save money while maintaining performance. To dive in, start by integrating AI features into your existing cloud platform. Most major cloud providers offer AI tools that can be easily added to your current setup. Take a look at their documentation and tutorials to get up to speed. So there you have it. AI is much more than just a buzzword, and definitely worth the time to become familiar with. It's a powerful tool that can revolutionize how you manage and optimize your cloud infrastructure and help take your cloud engineering career to new heights. In fact, when you start exploring these AI tools, you may just watch your cloud engineering skills soar. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights and cloud engineering tips. We'll catch you next time.